Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are watching this video. My name is Coach Joaquin, and in today's video, we are going to explain how you can actually start up an account on Freecash, how you can leverage using this platform to earn, and also how you can withdraw on this platform. So, without no waste of our time, we are getting started right now. So you come over to this green button written sign up. You tap on it. So once you have tapped on it, you input your email address. It can be your UK email address, it can be your Gmail, your Nigerian email address. Then you put in a password, then you agree to their privacy policy, then you sign up. But I'm not going to be signing up on this platform. I have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So I'm going to be signing in. So I'm signing in right now. Okay, so let's wait for it to load so we can actually see how easy you can actually use this free cash to earn up to $5 every day and withdraw straight into your local bank account. So this is the surface of fresh cash, and you can see my balance is trying to load up. Okay, you can see I have $2.86 just in today's survey. So now, before I show you how to withdraw on this platform, let me show you how you can actually take surveys on this platform. As you can see, it didn't take us up to 3 minutes in creating our account. So the next thing you need to do is to start surveys. Please don't go to future offers, don't go to my offers. You can go to offer partners, you can go to future surveys, you can go to survey partners. Yes, so now most times the high paying survey is this cpx research pays more, but you hardly get frequent surveys from this site, from this survey site. So you can actually come up to, maybe let's start with this future survey. Okay, this is going to give you 10 cents. It's very low, but let's start with it. Okay, so now this is how the survey looks like. This is type of questions they will ask you. Now they're asking, what country do you live in? We live in England. Depending on what your IP address gave you when you went to check on my IP address dot or so. So you look for it. You can also search for it. I'm actually looking for England. England is not here, so I can actually go for London. If I see London, okay, I'm not actually seeing any of. Okay, you can actually go for Greater London. Once you tap on selected it, you forward, you move on. Next. Not all surveys are always meant for you. So this is, we only need people who own electricity car. You are always in positive side, so you must select yes to support the motion of the survey. Don't always decline surveys. It's actually coming up. Okay, so now that first stage allows you to continue the survey. Most times it redirects you outside the survey. So now we continue. Which of the following region do you live in? England, London, any of it? London. Okay, always full-time employed. Any questions you see like this, always full-time employed. Okay, what is your gender? I'm a male. What is the highest level education? It is always postgraduate diploma, but we don't have postgraduate diploma here. We can go for bachelor master's degree. You get, the prime minister announces that the Election will be held on, okay. I mostly go for Labour Party because I love everything about Labour Party. Labour Party over UK too. Thinking back to last general Labour Party, it depends oh. You can actually go for what you want. The Prime Minister has announced that, okay, I would go for cost of living of economy. Which party do you trust in the most? Right decision, Labour Party. Which party do you? Labour Party. I'm actually passing a message to them that I love Labour Party. Just watch what they will do. Which party do you trust the most? Labour Party. Which party do you trust the most in making right decision? Labour Party. Okay, and don't be too fast in answering question. Which party do you trust in most make the right decision? Okay, let's go back. Labour Party. Labour Party. As you can see, this thing here is loading. So when it's finished loading, you can be rewarded, you can be declined. So let's go and see. More expensive. I'm reading this thing. Don't think I'm not. I'm just putting it. You have to be careful. Which of the following is currently performing best in? I don't really know about this, but let me take this. Does I've answered questions like this before. So this is how you answer the survey questions. And it's because I've answered questions like this. That is why I am just picking it very fast. I attend. If you had to use the word describe, what was the word? You can go on Google and search for this. That is what I do. If you have used one of the word to describe Rishi, what would that word be? Okay, you can go on Google and search, but I have a word for him because I've been answering questions like this. Get. So that is why I do my own thing. Okay, this is the next question about water. Okay, okay. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Last week there were two television debates. I watched them live on television. How interested are you on TV debates? I'm always very interested. You have indicated that you are interested in TV. What is the primary reason for you watching these debates? To entertain? Yeah, I think we are done with the survey. So let's see what we get. These beat labs, they are mostly not always rewarding people with reward of their survey. They like redirecting. So I think we have a point right now. So I think my dollar will increase. We have a point right now. We have a point right now. My dashboard is refreshing. We have 3 points. It's something dollar. 2 cent, $2 point. It's something. So let's see. You have earned survey complete. You have earned. So we have to rate it. How much have we earned? Okay. So we have $2.95. Are you seeing? So that is how you can earn. So the secrets I am using to make more money in this platform is what I want to reveal to you. But I want to reveal this secret to only my students. Let them start with it. Let me see how they go. Then after that, I can now make another video on how you can make this money with the secret code I am using in this platform. You get? So this is how you can earn on this platform. Just pick any survey that you want to take and answer the question correctly. be consistent with your questions and get it right. I don't want the video to be too long, but now let me show you how you can actually withdraw your money, your dollar. Okay, you come over to cash out. Once you come over to cash out, you can actually see the amount you can withdraw. Okay, now the withdrawable money I can withdraw on this my account now is $1.17. That is the available money I can withdraw. As you can see, we have withdrawable now, we have withdrawable soon, we have withdrawable a day ago. So this is how it works. Once your money gets to this withdrawable now, you can actually cash it out. As you can see, the cash out, use your end coin on freecash.com to withdraw paper, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawal starts from 0.50. So this crypto withdrawal is also entitled to Litecoin that we all want to use to withdraw. And in this free cash, you can withdraw directly to your bank account using Litecoin. So how do we do this? You come over to this place. You might have copied your Litecoin wallet. You come over to this place, tap this Litecoin and put in your address, your Litecoin address. How do you copy your Litecoin address? Okay, let me go over to my Litecoin. Let me go over to my Litecoin. Okay, so this is my Litecoin, and to copy your wallet on your Litecoin, all you just need to do is tap on receive, tap on this view address, then you copy your address. Your address has been copied. You come over to your free cash, then you hold this and you paste, then you save address. Then once you're here, you have saved your address, you tap on this max amount. Automatically it shows you the amount you can actually withdraw to your wallet. You get? So you can actually now tap withdraw, but I'm not going to withdraw this money because I don't want to withdraw it now. You tap withdraw and automatically you get the money directly into your Luno, your Litecoin wallet. Okay, so that is how you can actually withdraw from your fresh cash to your Litecoin. I hope you get this video now. So I don't want the video to be too long. The next video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from your Litecoin to directly to your bank account. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.